Now, as you last heard, I was about to be attacked by the mighty pumpkin. Now it's time for you to meet him. Here he is. There's the mighty pumpkin. He's going in the jungle. Pumpkin, do you have any words for us? Pumpkin? No. Oh gosh. He's an evil cat, I tell you. He will kill you. He's as fast as lightning. You will die if you see him. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I mean, honestly. Look at that. See? I'm bruised by him. Oh no. He's about to roar. Look at him. He's fierce. He's fierce, I tell you. Fierce. Look at him. Look at him. He's just filled with evil. He's evil. Evil! Even though he looks so cute and delicious, I'm about to go bake him. Psych! Oh gosh. Okay. Till next time, hopefully Pumpkin won't eat me.